So, you want to bake a pie? Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. Step 1. Gather your ingredients: flour, butter, sugar, and fruit. Make sure everything is fresh and ready to go. Step 2. Mix the dry ingredients and cut in the butter until crumbly. This is where the magic starts to happen. Final step: roll out the dough, fill it with your favorite fruit, and bake until golden. And just like that, you've got a delicious pie. Y'all see this? Use code BAKE20 for a sweet discount. Or keep buying store-bought. Your choice.